Interlibrary Loan is a service Shea Library offers when you come across a book the library does not own or an article to which it does not offer access. We can search other institutions that do provide access to the title you need and email it to you at no cost. We can't guarantee when your interlibrary loan request will arrive, so it's always a good idea to start your research early. You can access the ILL form by signing into the portal and clicking on the library link on the left side of the page. The ILL form is under Useful Links on the right side of the page. Before you submit an interlibrary loan request, however, you should first search to see whether or not the library has the title you need. You can search for books under Books and eBooks, and for journal titles under Publication Finder. Both are located under Useful Links on the right side of the page. In the midst of your research, you may come across search results to which the library does not offer access. For example, I'm using EBSCO Discovery to search for articles on the impact of social media on the mental health of adolescents. Under the title and description of the first article, it shows Request Interlibrary Loan, telling me that the article is not available through the library. To request the article, first click on the title, then click on the Cite button. This will allow you to copy the article's citation. At the bottom of the screen, click on Copy to Clipboard, then close the window. Now click on the Request Interlibrary Loan button. Fill in your name and AIC email address, then paste in the citation information you just copied in the preceding step. Check the box that indicates you will comply with federal copyright law and click Submit. It usually takes 3 to 5 business days to retrieve an article and 1 to 2 weeks for a book. Articles will be emailed to you. Books will be held for you at the library support desk. If you're having any trouble submitting ILL requests, you can email shay.library@aic.edu.